Hey everyone, welcome to May. I cannot believe that it is May, but I'm actually so excited that it's here. I'm excited for our customer special this month. I'm excited to share with you what my top 5 picks are for the month of May, and I'm just excited that it's warmer weather and we can do all those fun outdoor activities with our families, going camping, picnics, all that fun stuff. So I'm super excited about that, and I'm going to share with you guys some things that you can use this May and this summer, products that you can carry with you every day, and on your vacation. So anyways, I'm really excited. I'll just get started. So my top 5 picks for the month of May, here we go. All right, my number 5 pick is the In the Clear Tote. This is so cute. It's in the Slice of Summer print with the little watermelons, and I don't know if you guys have noticed, but watermelons are in this summer, and so 31 is right on trend. So this is a huge bag. Actually, it may not look that big to you from the side, but on the inside it's very, very large, and this is great for if you're at the beach. If you have sand in here, all you have to do is just shake it out. It will just fall right out. If you have water in here, you just wipe it right out. Of course, this is like a clear plastic, but the bottom is a laminated material. So all you just have to do is just wipe it out. You have 2 ties right here, where you can tie the tote at the top if you'd like. And then back here, you have a little key fob, a little place to hang your keys, and then you have a zipper pouch right back here. It may be kind of hard to see with the light. I think I just unzipped that. So there's a little zipper pouch right back here. So this is the In the Clear Tote. This is my number 5 pick for the month of May. All right, my second pick is called the Summer Days Towel. So as a lot of you realize, this was in our customer special last month. So look how cute these are. These are pineapples. It also comes with starfish. It comes in like a navy and white stripe, and it also comes in the black and white dandelion print. I love this. This was a huge seller last month in the customer special. And at the bottom you have a navy band, and this navy band right here can be embroidered. So you can get a tote actually to match your towel. So cute, and you're gonna look so great at the beach and at the pool. So this is my number 4 pick, is the Summer Days Towel. Okay, and number 3 should not be a stranger to you if you follow my YouTube channel or follow me at all on my Facebook page, but it is our Studio 31 purse. All right, so you guys know this. It's one of my favorites, and look what you see here. This is one of our global inspired flaps for our Studio 31. So if you're new to me, our Studio 31 purses are actually brand new this season. So what's great about them is you can customize your own purse, and I'm going to share with you how. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to choose your base of your purse. So this base right here is the classic base. This base on this purse is the modern base. So whether you want a smaller base or maybe a longer base, this is classic, this is modern, okay? Then you choose your flap. Your flap right here, all it does is it zips on and off back here. So if you want to change the look of your purse one day, let me find one of my other favorites. All you have to do is put this flap on and zip it on, and you have a brand new purse. So this is the Studio 31. That's what's great about that. And then you can also customize it with your strap. So this is a shoulder strap here. It's one of the shorter ones. You can wear it right under your arm. And then on this purse, on the modern style that I have, this is the skinny strap, the crossbody strap. So you can wear your purse crossbody. You can add a crossbody strap onto the classic purse too. So it's just customizable. There's so many things that you can do with this line, and I absolutely love it. So I was going to share with you some of my different flaps. I have so many. So it's just wonderful that you can really just change the flap, and you've got a whole new purse. This is the Southwest stripe. Look how gorgeous that is. Then one of our newer ones also that I'm getting to test out is the Etched Elements. Look how beautiful that is. So these are my 3 test prints: Etched Elements, Southwest stripe, and the Sunset Medallion. Those are 3 little test prints that I'm getting to test out. So, and they actually sold out in 5 days when we launched them. at the beginning of April. So they are coming back in May. They have ordered more and they are coming back. So you guys stay tuned, and you will want to order as soon as they come back because they are going to sell out fast, I know. So that's the Studio 31 is my number 3 pick for the month of May. My number 2 pick is something brand new. This is the Large Utility Tote Limited. This is in our May customer special. So this is something that is brand spanking new. It's our large utility tote, but it's upgraded, okay? And I'm going to share with you some of those features in just a second. So this is in the twill stripe. You have little extra embellishments on the sides. This you have these little faux leather handles, which makes it so easy to carry on your shoulder and stay on your shoulder. All right, this is, and on the inside, it has like a heavy duty canvas in here. And it's a lot, if you guys can tell, it's just so much more detail into this large utility tote. So in May, when you spend $35, you can get the Large Utility Tote Limited for 20 bucks. This is brand new. So this is in the twill stripe, and I'm going to share with you guys another print that's available, and this print is actually brand new. This is the Harbor twill stripe. So it's got that red and like a dark kind of navy blue stripe here. So this is also the Large Utility Tote Limited. Love, love, love this. Okay, so these are in the customer special. So when you spend $35, you can get a Large Utility Tote Limited for 20 bucks. This is only available in May. The Limited is only available in May. All right, and my number 1 pick for the month of May is, you guessed it, our Large Utility Tote, because it's on sale this month. So our Large Utility Tote is our number 1 selling product month after month, year after year. And if you have one of these, you know why, because you use it for everything. I seriously use mine for everything. I have 3 in the trunk of my car. Each one of my family members has a Large Utility Tote. I think the last time I counted, we had 17 large utility totes, because of course I am a 31 consultant, so I get them all the time, but I love them. They're so wonderful. They're great for toys. They're great for the beach. They're great for an overnight trip. They are just wonderful for shoes, anything that you need it for. It's fantastic. So this is the Large Utility Tote. Okay, and some of the features in here is you do have a laminated interior. So the Large Utility Tote Limited has like a canvas interior. This is a laminated feel here. So it just wipes right out, shake it out, everything just falls right out of here. So this is the Large Utility Tote. So this month, when you spend $35, you can choose between a Large Utility Tote for $10 or the Limited for $20. Okay, so the Large Utility Tote is normally $35. So you can get one for $35 at regular price. Then your next one can be $10. There you go. $45 for 2 totes. Fantastic. So this is my number 1 pick, and I know you guys know why. Our Large Utility Tote. This is in the Geo stripe. This is in the Sunset Medallion print that I'm getting to test out. Look how gorgeous this is. And then I also have the Dandelion print. Look how beautiful that is. It's in the black and white. So anyways, I hope that you guys are just as excited as I am about May, and I am so excited that I got to share with you my top 5 picks. So I hope you have a great day.